morning students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1. Subject English 2. Representing teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. Today we are going to learn a composition. In our last video, we have studied a composition on the topic I am a proud Indian. Children, we have learned that in India we have various cultures, traditions and religions. There is a feeling of equality and brotherhood among us. We celebrate different festivals together in our country like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Dashera, Raksha Bandhan, Christmas, etc. So children, can you tell me on which festival you see a Santa Claus? Yes, we see a Santa Claus during the festival of Christmas. So children, our today's topic for composition is Christmas. Composition number 13, Christmas, page number 62. As I said, we celebrate different festivals in our country. We also celebrate the festival of Christmas. We all celebrate the festival of Christmas with great enthusiasm. But children, do you know? Christmas is the festival of Christians. So, the first line of a composition is Christmas is the festival of Christians. Children, can you tell when we celebrate the festival of Christmas? Yes, we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. But children, can you tell me why we celebrate Christmas on that day? Yes, we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December because Jesus Christ was born on this day. So, the next line of a composition is Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December. So this day is celebrated as Christmas every year. Children, when Diwali comes, we decorate our house with lightings and lamps. Like that, for the festival of Christmas, we decorate our house with colorful festoons and Christmas tree. And we also decorate Christmas tree with many toys and lights. So the next line of a composition is people decorate their homes with colorful festoons for Christmas. The Christmas tree is also decorated with toys, gifts and colorful lights. Children, do you know? People go to pray at various places like Hindus worship in a temple, Muslims offers prayers or namaz in a mosque, Sikhs worship in Gurudwara. Like that, Christians go to church for prayers and wish each other. So the next line of a composition is on Christmas Day, people go to the church and offer prayers. They later wish each other Merry Christmas. Sweets and gifts are shared with one another on the occasion of Diwali. Like this, people exchange sweets and gifts on the festival of Christmas. So the next line of a composition is people also exchange sweets and gifts. Children, the most important and awaited part of the festival of Christmas is Santa Claus. Children love Santa Claus because he gives many sweets and gifts to small children. So the next line of a composition is children hang stockings near their bed so that Santa Claus can drop gifts into them. Children, We all love the festival of Christmas because we enjoy a lot with Santa Claus and have fun. So the next line of a composition is Christmas is enjoyed by the young as well as the old people. So children, I am going to read the composition again. Composition number 13, Christmas. Christmas is the festival of Christians. Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December. So this day is celebrated as Christmas every year. People decorate their homes with colorful festoons for Christmas. The Christmas tree is also decorated with toys, gifts and colorful lights. On Christmas Day, people go to the church and offer prayers. They later wish each other Merry Christmas. People also exchange sweets and gifts. Children hang stockings near their bed so that Santa Claus can drop gifts into them. Christmas is enjoyed by the young as well as the old people. So children, I hope you all have understood the composition on Christmas. Write this composition and learn. Thank you for watching the